The field of welding is growing and changing every day, and State Tech is the best place to start your career in the field.
Welding is such a fantastic field because it really allows you to be creative, and it really allows you to find your niche and what you want to do and then be able to pursue that and do it. It's such a fantastic trade because you can go so many different directions in the skilled trade, and it also pays well.
His career path started at State Tech, a college known for its amazing labs and hands-on education.
My time at State Tech really prepared for me, and it really laid out the groundwork for me to be able to pick any direction that I wanted within the welding industry. And for me, that's invaluable because you never know what you're going to like after you graduate. So being able to go and do any process is incredibly meaningful.
With a 99% job placement rate, State Tech alumni don't just graduate, they launch their career.
I had a job doing what I wanted to do before I even graduated. State Tech gives you all the tools to be able to pick your career and to be able to do what you want to do and be happy doing it.
Now working at Questech, he's not only doing what he loves, but he continues to grow every day.
What drew me to Questech was the ability to grow and move on with your with what you can do and to really further your education. And also the people here are fantastic. They really want to see people succeed.